My guilty pleasure is most definitely wine gums. I'm addicted. My favorite thing about being in a kitchen, it's, you know, the craft and learning the craft and continuing to grow. You never stop learning, and for me that's a key is to make sure that I'm always sort of learning something. So we're here at the Whistler Community Garden. I've had a couple plots here for the past couple of years. It's a great place for locals to be able to grow your own vegetables and get fresh vegetables for you all summer. You know, zucchinis, cucumbers, a lot of carrots, a lot of lettuces, kale, Swiss chards. It's nice being here in this little community garden. I get to grow all of those things. The most obscure thing I've grown in the garden would be tomatoes from outer space. So I, through Food Day Canada, received some tomatoes that were on the space station for a year and then came back. So I grow a plant of those every year. And, you know, I think locality or using local ingredients, to me is really important. Number one, just for the freshness, you're getting a better quality. Number two, you're supporting our local communities, our local farmers, our local producers. The flavor on the plate, I think, is better the less travel that your product's gonna come from. My favorite herb is basil, especially this time of year. We use a lot of it. It just brightens up everything that you're putting it in, so it's a wonderful herb to play with. Best thing about living in Whistler is this. You know, I'm 10 minutes from my house. It's, you know, you can be out in the woods, you can be enjoying nature. It's just such a wonderful place to be. My name is Bendig. I'm the executive sous chef of the Fairmont Chateau, Whistler.